Hello students, welcome to the introductory video of module 1 of the course Income Tax Law and Practice. Myself Muhammad Ashraf, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Let me give you a brief introduction to module 1. In this module you will gain knowledge about income tax law, meaning and characteristics of income tax. Students, in this module you are going to learn about some basic concepts in the Income Tax Act 1961. These basic concepts include income. According to income tax, there are two types of income. First is taxable income and second is non-taxable income, which you are going to understand in detail in this module. Then we will consider agricultural income, person. Now, as per income tax, person includes an individual, a Hindu undivided family, a firm, a company, etc. After that, we will focus on assessee, assessment year, previous year, gross total income, and finally maximum marginal rate of tax. After going through this module, you will be able to gain knowledge about income tax law and meaning of income tax. You will be able to understand the basic concepts in the law of income tax such as income, agricultural income, person, assessee, assessment year, etc. You will be able to identify the 5 heads in which income is categorized. Thank you.